Hey friends, let's jump straight in. With this lesson we're tuned to E flat, so just tune all your strings down half a step or a semitone there. We'll look at all the guitar parts, so let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for guitar one, we're just doing D and we're doing it down, down, up, up, down, up. To A, we do the same. Now he changes on the G here. He does it down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Back to the A, we do the same as previous. Down, down, up, down, up. Repeat the D again. To the A, the same. The G with our G strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then when we go to the A, we're going to do down, down, down. Play the open A, D and G and hammer back onto the A. And then just play D again. So from that G, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, A. And that's guitar one. Let's have a look at guitar two. So we're just starting on the D chord, then play open D, 4th fret on the G, back to the D, just O on the D, 2nd fret G. So. Then play open A and D, hammer onto 2nd fret on the D. Play the A again, then go O on the A4 on the D, back to O and 2, back to O and 4. So. Then play a G chord. Then we're going to play the 3rd fret on the E string, mute the A, 2nd fret on the D, open G. So we have. Then play 3rd fret on the E, mute the A, open D, open G, and hammer back onto the 2nd fret on the D. And then we're just going back to the A blues, the A power chord 2 times, O and 4, back to the O and 2, and then again 2 more times. O and 4, O and 2. So that part slowly. And that's the intro there. So guitar one, we're just doing the D, same strumming pattern as before. Down, up, down, up. To the A, same strumming pattern. Up, down, up. G, this time keep the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to play the A power chord, we're going to do it down, up. And then when we do the down, we're going to play 4 on the D, open A. Back to the A, up, down, up. O on the A4 on the D, and then play open A, D, and G. So we have open, because that gets us ready back for the D again, and we do this 2 times, the D again, the A, the G, and our A blues again. Open, this time go to G for a bar, same strumming pattern. Up to A for a bar. Do that another 2 more times. G to the A, back to the G, to the A, then just hold the D. Then we're going to do D up, D sus4 down, back to D up, D sus2 down, back to D up, down. So. And that's guitar one. Now let's have a look at guitar two. guitar, we're just starting on the D chord again. O, D, 4 on the G, back to the D, back to the O and the 4s. To our A power chord in our blues pattern 2 times on the A, O and 4, back to O and 2, and then do the O and 2 2 more times, O and 4. So. Then do the G the same way we did on the intro, G. So the second fret on the D, the open, then hammer it on. Back to the A blues pattern, this time 2A, O and 4, O and 2, O and 4. And we repeat that 2 times. So the D. To the A. To the G. Back to the A. 2 times there, then we'll just go into the G and do that the same as before. To the A, and we're going to do open A 2 times, O and 4, open A 2 times, O and 4. We do that 3 times. One more time. Then just strum the D, hold that D, and we're just playing the G, B, E on the D chord there. And that's our verse and our chorus there. So then we do our verse and the chorus exactly the same. The only difference here is the last D we keep strumming. So down, down, up, down, up. Then do our sus, 4, D, sus, 2, back to D. So we're going to do down, up, down, up. And that's the only change there. Then we go to our solo, and we'll do all our solo parts at the end. We just play the verse and the chorus, and that stays the same, and our acoustic guitar finishes the same again as we just did with the D strumming. Go back to the verse and the chorus again. Guitar 1 and 2 stay the same. Then we have the next solo, and guitar 1 stay the same again, just the verse and the chorus. Then play the verse and the chorus again, and just finish on the D. So they're all our rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solos. So we're going to start with a bend on 9G, play 10B, 10E, bend the 9G again, then just play 7 9s. Then do 7 hammer onto 9 on the D, play 7 on the G 2 times. Then go back to 9D, 7G, 10B, bend the 9G and play 9s. So then do 9, slide to 11 on the G, 10B, 11G, then do 10, hammer onto 12 on the B, 10 on the E, and do that again. Then play B, 10, 12, 10 on the E, 10 on the B, bend 12E, play 12, 10, 12, 12. Then jump up to 17 on the B, play 17, 15, 17 on the E, then do a bend and release on 17B. Start on the B, 15, 17, 15, bend 17, jump to E, 14, 15, 16, 17, then jump back to B, 17, bend and release, pull off the 15, G16, B17, G16, B15, bend 17 on the E, play 17, then we're bending, release 17, pull off the 15 on the B again, 17 and then 16 G, back to 15 on the B there. So then bend 17 on the B, release, pull off to 15 again. 17 on the B, 16 G, 15 on the B, back to 16 G, 15 on the B. Then we're jumping to 17 E, 3 bends, 2, 3, and then release the bend. Then jump to 17 on the B, bend, play 17 E, and do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Then bend and release 17, pull off to 15 on the B. Play 15 again, 16 G, B, 15, 17, 15, 16 on the G, back to 15 on the B. Then play 10 on the B and the E to 12 G and B. Stay on the G, do 10, hammer on to 11, 10 on the B, jump to D, 12 2 times, then finish on 11 G, 13 B. And that's our first solo there. Let's have a look at our second solo. So I'm going to start on 12 on the D, 11 G, 13 B, to 10 E, back to 13 B and 11 G. Then go 11 D, 9 G, 10 B, back to 9 G, to the B, 10, slide back to 8, play 8 again. Then go 9D, 7G, 8B, back to 7G, do 8, slide to 10 on the B, and then back to 8. Then we're doing 9, slide up to 11 on the D, play 10 on the B, then play 11G, 10B, back to 9G, 10B, and back to 11, 10. So then we're going to do 5, slide up to 7 on the E, play 5 on the A, 7 on the E, then do 7, pull off the 5 on the A. So then do 7, slide up to 9 on the A, 7D, 9 on the A, do 9, pull off the 7 on the D. So it's the same, just down there. Then we're doing G7 2 times, 9 on the D, go to 9 on the G 2 times to 7 Gs. 7 on the B 2 times, G, 9, 7. Go to 8 on the B 2 times, 7, 9 on the G. Then go to 10 on the B 2 times, 8, 7. Back to 8 2 times, 7, 9 on the G. Then go back to the B, 7, hammer onto 8, pull off to 7, 9G, 7B. Then we're doing a bend on 9G, B, 7, 10, bend on the 9G, release, pull off to 7, 9, 9. So that little section there. Then stay on the G, 7, 9, 7. And this next little lick we're going to do 4 times, bend 10 on the B, play 10 on the E 2 times, and 4 times. So 2, 3, 4. Then do 10, bend on the B, release, pull off the 8, 10 2 times on the B, 8, 10, 8. And we're going to repeat that all again, back to our bend. 4 times. Our bend and release on the 10, 10, 10, 8, 10, 8. So here. And again. Then bend 10B, go to E, 7, 10, bend 10B again, start the B, 8, 10, bend 9G, to the B, 8, 10, bend 9G, play 7, then 9D, jump back to 9 on the G, 7, pull off to 9, so sorry, 9, pull off to 7, 9D, 9G, bend the 9 on the G, 7, 9D, 7G, 9D, and then back to G, 7, 9, 7, 10 on the B, and bend the 9 on the G. So that last little part there. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I used to love her guitar lesson by Guns N' Roses. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.